Hello everyone, next take the orange color clay and press it using the hands like this. Now draw the lines on it and make the check lines. Put the yellow color balls on the sides to make the flower. Draw the lines over it like this. You can make the stems and leaves using green color marker like this. Now after you are done with the stem, put the clay to make the leaves like this and it's ready. Next, put the green color clay and spread it using the fingers like this. Now using the fork, spread it from the top. Now take the pink color clay and make the balls like this and then join them like this. So here we are making an ostrich. Make its beak, draw its eyes like this, draw their legs using pink color marker. Now after that, put some flowers near it and it's ready. Next, take a brown color sheet and paste it on the white sheet like this. Now draw the lines on it. Now put the yellow color petals on the sides using clay like this and spread it using the fingers. Spread it in the same manner as shown in the video. Make it stems and leaves if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, take the cuttings of the leaf like this and paste it on the white sheet. Draw the lines on it. Now using different color clay, we will make the caterpillar like this. Paste it on the leaves and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to make their legs like this and it's done. Next, draw the green color line using green color on the white sheet. Now we will draw the flowers using clay like this. Make the balls using purple and white color clay. Paste them, put some leaves using the clay. Make the birds on the top of it like this. Make the cute butterfly using yellow color clay and it's ready. Next, take the green color clay and paste it on the sheet like this. Now after that, make some dots using the toothpicks on it like this. Make the dots very carefully. Now put some white color clay balls on it like this. Put the leaves around it and put some red color clay and your bouquet is ready. Next, take a brown color paper and draw the lines like this to make the fence. Now put the green color dots like this. Now take a red color clay and press it like this and cut it out and make some red flowers like this. Paste them one by one, put some butterflies and honeybees near it and your beautiful garden is ready. Next, take the green color paper and paste it. Now we will take a pink color clay and roll it like this. Make the piggy out of it. Make its hands and legs. Put some clouds on the top of it and it's ready. Next, make the rainbow using different color clay like this. Cut it from the sides and paste the white color cloud. And it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.